In this video, we will go over the Revv1 Connect Plus rack and handle assembly. Included in the box, you will find the rack and handle, cable extension, pannier mounts, and hardware. Begin by removing the zip tie securing the rear light cable. Then disconnect the rear light cable. Using an Allen key, remove the rear light and bracket from the frame. Remove the rear light and save the hardware for reinstallation. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently pry the end cap out of the frame. Once loose, remove it fully. Insert the rack fully into the frame, ensuring the hardware openings are unobstructed as shown. Place the handle around the rack and slide the shorter of the two pieces of saddle hardware through the rear insert. Next, install the bolts into the saddle hardware on the rear insert. Place the first pannier mount on the rack as shown and screw it into place with the rear rack bolt. On the opposite side, place the second pannier mount on the rack and screw it into place with the rear rack bolt. With the pannier mounts in place, slide the longer of the two pieces of saddle hardware through the forward saddle insert. Anchoring one side of the rack hardware with an Allen key, tighten the saddle hardware until secure. Align the pannier mount support bracket with the inserts as shown, and hand tighten the hardware. Then tighten fully with an Allen key. Place the rear light onto the rack's rear light bracket. Then use your hardware from the original light bracket to install the rear light. Using the provided rear light cable extension, connect the existing cable to the rear light. Secure the rear light cable to the frame using a zip tie. Bundle the cable to avoid looser hanging wires while operating your Revv1. Thank you for watching and enjoy riding.